Another day, another farmer dead. And the worst part is, no one realizes. Good day to everyone watching. This is Team Kisan Can, here to revolutionize agriculture. The above scenario stated results in one of the biggest unnoticed issues of society, farmer suicides. As of 2016 itself, India recorded close to 31 farmer suicides per day. Studies have also stated that the second biggest reason for farmer suicides are farming related practices, which include fatigue, tiredness, exhaustion. All of them have a deep and negative impact on the farmer's mental and physical well-being. They perform tedious agricultural work diligently, but without any appreciable returns whatsoever. Another problem they might face would be the financial aspect of it. They're often loaded with debt from loans they took years and years back and now are unable to pay back because of the high interest charged from the moneylenders. They are often bankrupt. So, we as a team propose a model that will try to solve these very problems.
Our AI component in the model is what makes the Kisan Can the best and the most unique. Basically, this is a small digital model built inside of the vehicle. It provides help to the farmers in the form of usage, repair, and farming related data. And what's more is all of this is available in their closest possible vernacular language. So, this model allows farmers to reach their full potential with their crops and soil while learning everything about modern farming in their own languages. The value proposition for this project is that it increases yield and increases crop quality, which has a direct impact on the economy as the profits for the farmers increase. It is cost efficient and eco-friendly, made from recyclable materials, and the cost rounding up to around 70 to 90,000 rupees. And lastly, it increases farmer life expectancy as well, as they don't have to work as much as they used to, which reduces their tiredness level and increases their profit levels as well. So I encourage you to choose Kisan Can and choose the farmer.
The main feature of this model is its affordable prices, which is only Rs 90,000. According to the survey in 2017, a farmer's annual salary is 77,000. The payment will be done through prioritized installments, which the farmer will decide. Now you tell us which is the better option.
So what do we conclude from all of this? Unpayable debts and appalling suicidal rates of Indian farmers have called us to create the best solutions to all their problems. The Kisan Can. Its unique support system is something the farmers need in today's day and age. Of course, it being eco-friendly and affordable pricing just adds to the equally amazing design our team has carefully curated and put together. So, we seek support logistically, financially, and even morally to establish the project. Support Kisan Can, support farmers, because they are the key to doors of Indian economy. We think the Kisan Can. Thank you.